Good morning, students. We have already learned division of fractions. Let us recap a small portion of it. In division of fractions, first we change the symbol division into multiplication. Then we take the reciprocal of the second term and then multiply the numerator and the denominator and then simplify the fraction whenever possible. Today, let us learn a new topic. What do you see in this picture? Yes, it is 20 rupees. What do you see in the next picture? Yes, it is 50 pies. Now students, how much do we have now? Yes, it is 20 rupees 50 pies. How do you write it in a numerical form? It is rupees 20.50. Here we have to use the decimal point to separate the pies. Today we learn a new topic, that is decimal. The decimal numbers are familiar in money. Decimal point separates the whole number and the decimal part. Decimal numbers are always less than 1. Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10 or powers of 10. That is 4 by 10, 5 by 100, 32 by 1000. These are decimal fractions. Let us learn how do we write in decimal form. Here 4 by 10. How many zeros in the denominator? Yes, only 1. So we have to take one decimal place from right to left and put the decimal point where the arrow ends. So we write 0.4. 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4. Next fraction is 15 by 100. How many zeros in the denominator? As good, 2 zeros. So we have to take 2 decimal place from right to left and put the decimal point where the arrow ends. So 0.15. The answer is 15 by 100 is equal to 0.15. Next fraction is 32 by 1000. Here, how many zeros in the denominator? Yes, good. 3 zeros. So, we have to take 3 decimal place from right to left. 1, 2 and 3. And then put the decimal point where the arrow ends. Here, there is no number. So, we have to put 0. So the answer is 0.032. 32 by 1000 is equal to 0.032. Next, let us learn how to read and write the decimal numbers. Before that, we have to know the place values of decimal. Let us take the decimal number 243.789. This is the place value chart. Here 243 is a whole number. What is the place value of 3? Yes, good. 3 ones. Here what is the place value of 4? Good. That is 4 tens. That is 40. Here what is the place value of 2? That is 200. Here the decimal separates the whole number and the decimal numbers. Here 0.789 is the decimal number. It is less than 1. What is the place value of 7? That is 7/10. What is the place value of 8? Good. That is 800th. Here, what is the place value of 9? Yes, good. It is 9000th. Next, let us learn how to read and write the decimal numbers. Let us see the example. The decimal number is 0.6. How do we read this number? Here, there is no whole number. Here, after the decimal point, we read it as separate digit. So here 0.6. Now let us learn how to write. Here there is no whole number. After the decimal point, the place value starts from 10th, 100th, 1000. What is the place value of 6? Yes, that is 10th. So the answer is 6/10. Next decimal number 0.32. How do we read this number? Here also there is no whole number. So we read as 0.32. How do we write this decimal number? Here also there is no whole number. After the decimal point, the place value starts from 10th, 100th. What is the place value of 2? Good, it is 100th. So the answer is 32/100th. Next example 47.203. How do we read this number? Here the whole number is 47 point. So here 47.203. How do we write this decimal number? Here 47 is the whole number. After the decimal point, the place value starts from 10th, 100th, 1000th. So what is the place value of 3? Yes, good, that is 1000th. So we have to write 47 and 203,000th. Now let us learn how to write the decimals as fraction. Now we move on to the first example. Here 0.1. In this question, decimal form is given. We have to convert into fractional form. Here, what is the place value of 1? Yes, good. It is 10th. Before write the fraction, we must remove the decimal point and then write the fraction. Here the place value is 10th. So we have to write 1/10. The answer is 0.1 is equal to 1/10. Example 2. 0.06. Here the decimal form is given. We have to convert into fraction. Here what is the place value of 0? Yes, good, that is 10th. What is the place value of 6? The place value of 6 is 100th. So here the place value ends with 100th. Before write the fraction, we must remove the decimal point to write here 6/100. Next example 2.007. Here the decimal form is given. We have to convert into fraction. Here after the decimal point, the place value starts from 10th, 100th, 1000th. Here what is the place value of 0? Yes, good. The place value of 0 is 10th. What is the place value of next 0? Yes, the place value of next 0 is 100th. What is the place value of 7? That is 1000th. Before write into fraction, we must remove the decimal to write the fraction. Here 2007 divided by the decimal place value ends with 1000th. So the answer is 2007 divided by 1000. Let us watch the video.
All to a new term called decimals. Let's start. We have already studied about fractions. Now, let us look at some interesting fractions. Here, 4 parts out of 10 are colored. That means the shaded region represents 4/10, written as 4 upon 10. If 5 squares are shaded, it represents 5/10. That is, 5 parts out of 10 are colored and is written as 5 upon 10. Similarly, 15 parts out of 100 is written as 15 hundredths. 32 parts out of 1000 is written as 32 thousandths. The fractions 4/10, 5/10, 15 hundredths and 32 thousandths have either 10, 100 or 1000 as their denominators. Such fractions are called decimal fractions. Thus, a decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is either 10 or 100 or 1000 or a power of 10. Kids, these decimal fractions can be represented in another form. Here, 4 upon 10 is represented as 0, then a point, and then 4, and is read as 0.4. Similarly, 5/10 is represented as 0, then a point, and then 5, read as 0.5. 15 hundredths is written and read as 0.15. 32 thousandths represented as 0, then a point, then a 0, then 3, and lastly 2. It is read as 0.032. These numbers 0.4, 0.5, 0.15 and 0.032 are called decimal numbers or decimals. A decimal number has 2 parts, one on the left side and other on the right side of the point. Let us see what these parts are. Consider the decimal 24.31. The dot in between 24 and 31 is called the decimal point. The number to the left of the decimal point is called as the whole part or integral part. Thus, the number 24 is the whole part or integral part. The number to the right of the decimal point is called the decimal part. So, 31 is the decimal part. The decimal point separates the integral part and the decimal part. The number of digits after the decimal point are called the number of decimal places. There are 2 decimal places in 24.31. Now, let's look at a few examples.
Students, do the assignment. We shall discuss the solution in the next video. Students, check the assignment answers. In a classroom, there are 45 students. 2 by 5 of them are boys. Find out the number of girls in the class. Here, total number of students is 45. So, here we have to write the given total number of students is equal to 45. Here, fraction of boys is given. So, here you have to write fraction of boys is equal to 2 by 5. We have to find out the number of girls in the class. First, we have to find out the number of boys because here fraction of boys only given. So, we have to find out the number of boys and the number of girls. Yes, the solution. Here, number of boys 2 by 5 of. Here 2 by 5 of them are boys. So here of means multiplication. 2 by 5 into 45. Here the common factor is 5. So 1 5s are 5, 9 5s are 45. Therefore, 2 into 9 is equal to 18. So here number of boys is equal to 18. Then we have to find out the number of girls. So number of girls is equal to total number of students minus number of boys. Here total number of students is 45 minus number of boys is 18. So 45 minus 18 is equal to 27. So number of girls is equal to 27. Second sum. Amit weighs 35 kg. His sister Kavita's weight is 5 by 6 of Amit's weight. How much does Kavita weight? Here Amit weight is given. Here, Kavita weight is indirectly given 5 by 6 of Amit's weight. So here given Amit weight is equal to 35 kg. We have to find out the Kavita's weight. So 2 find is equal to Kavita's weight. Solution. Kavita weight is equal to 5 by 6 of 35. Here of means multiplication. So here we want to find out 5 by 6 into 35. We have to multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Here 5 into 35 is equal to 175 by 6. Here this fraction is an improper fraction. We have to convert into mixed fraction. So here the answer is 29 1 by 6. Kavita's weight is equal to 29 1 by 6 kg. Thank you students. Have a nice day.